Well, my little crayfish, you started over there.
Oh, look, he's still going.
And yet you're backing your way up over here. You were trying to get to the beep. And the beep's over there. So what's going on with that?
You got it backwards real good.
Lucian, come here.
Because I keep backing the car up and it won't go forward.
You gotta get your forward gear going, not your reverse. I know, it's frustrating. You know, for the longest time I thought you were just going to scoot forward on your forehead all the day. Now I'm worried about you just going in reverse. Reverse gear. It beeps over there. Lucian. Lucian. That's your chair.
That's a control panel. I could be a pilot. I could drive this.
What are you going to do with that? Do you want Kitty? Come get Kitty.
Ow. Doesn't that hurt your foot, pushing on that?
Apparently not. Come get Kitty. Oh, his little eyebrows are up.